guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad you could come back again and check out this little haul that I've got. Me and my family went to North Carolina. We got a cabin up in the mountains up there, so we went up and did an antique store, and I found this in Bryson City, North Carolina. And it's not a it's not an automobile, but it is a car. So model car video. So this is a model and it's a car, but it's a San Francisco street car, a cable car. And I saw this. I only paid 13 bucks for it. Testers, one of my cool brand that branded so many cool and interesting models. But I found this and I said, man, I'm gonna get that. That's a really interesting. And so the model year is 1986, and the let's see, what is the scale? 1/48 scale. So it's a little small. San Francisco streetcar comes with a little train track that it would sit on, and it's got some like the labels like Duard, Scotch, and some other Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat. Everybody, do you remember that? Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat. Anyway, I thought this was neat, and I need to get around and build that. I think that this is really cool. But anyway, thought I'd show it to you guys. I've seen these. I got a better deal, actually, to believe it or not, in a tourist town of Bryson City. I actually got a better deal on this than you can buy it off of eBay. So there you go. San Francisco cable car, 1/48 scale by Testers. Cool. Next, I was also at another antique store, the Whistle Stop Antique Mall, where I have taken you guys in a previous video. I did not do the video there, but I did find this 1/32 Mustang by Monogram in the original packaging. I thought, holy moly, look at here. So it's a what, a 66 Mustang, something like that, GT 350 with the most awful out of scale looking wheels that you could imagine. But I thought, man, this is so cool. I got it for $23. It's a 1979 edition of this Monogram kit. I don't think I've ever seen a 1/32 scale Mustang by Monogram. I just thought that was so cool that I found that. It actually had, interestingly enough, it had two stickers. It had this one. They pulled this one off. I pulled the other off that was up here. This sticker, hold on, which one? This one said 30 bucks, or maybe this one up here said 30 bucks, and then it has a second sticker said 23 bucks. I'm like, I went to them and I said, can I get it for 23? They're like, oh yeah, that'll be fine. So I got this. I thought that's so cool, man. What a little time capsule. 1979 Monogram Ford Mustang GT 350 1/32 scale. I'm getting a pretty hefty collection of small scale stuff. Alright, next here is one that I showed a picture of recently. I made I cracked a joke actually on this. It was a post. I said, hey Charlie Mac, look, Heather got another kit, because Charlie Mac always picks. It's fun. When I say pick, I don't mean that like I'm aggravated with him. I think it's funny. I laugh like crazy. But I said, Charlie Mac, look, Grace, Heather got another kit. And if you read some of the comments that Charlie Mac leaves me, you'll know why I said that. But anyway, nevertheless, I got this off eBay. Monogram, the classic Packard Speedster Phaeton. And I thought, man, that is a cool looking kit right there. 1/24 scale, 1930 four-door model, 734 Packard. I've got several of these museum pieces kits. Well, no, I take that back. Those others are. I've got an MPC Connoisseur. I think Connoisseur Classic. I'm trying to look up there at it. And then I've got another kit, 132. I think it's a Monogram. Museum piece Monogram 32 Cadillac V16. So these are really nice. I've taken the top off of this, and because I made the joke, hey look, Heather is going to unbox this. I'm going to let Heather come and unbox this for us one night. But what a cool kit. And I'm thinking about building it. It's from 1975. Mattel at the time owned Monogram during 1975. But what a cool kit. I love, Charlie Mack said that he would try only to build brass, what is it called, brass era kits. Brass era are those kits or cars that had a lot of, they used a lot of brass. Your Model T's, a lot of your old fancy cars back in the 20s, they would use a lot of brass. I think this would qualify for that, although I don't know if it's brass era or not, but it is a really nice kit. Got it for a great price on eBay. Can you believe it? Got it for a great price on eBay, but what a cool car. So anyway, eBay snag right there, Monogram, 1975, the classic Packard Speedster Phaeton, 124 scale. Alright, so next is my friend Mark over at Hobby Nut Models. He just hooked me up today. I got this package in today, and he said, hey, I'm sending you something. I didn't know what it was, but it was like, bam, it was like the Dragula drag car, coffin car by from the Munsters. Now, Mark, when you watch this, did you send this because I mentioned that Heather wanted to build a Munsters car? If that's the case, thank you for your paying attention to that. If not, it's a cool kid anyway. George Barris. Yes, I know who George Barris is. Maybe I failed on the Ed Roth, knowing who he was, but I do know who George Barris is because he made so many like movie cars. My dad was a George Barris fan, and he told me all about George Barris. But here's the Dragula. Here's the Munsters themselves standing in front of the mansion, driven by TV's wildest family, the Munsters. But this is a, let's see, is it a round 2 kit? Round 2 re-release here. What? Oh, and it comes with a cardboard display. I did not notice that. So it comes with the cardboard display that you can set up. There's the parts and pieces. It's a low part count car, but what a cool kit. I mean, basically it's a coffin with an engine, right? And then they also have the Munster coach. That one, you're going to pay for that one. That one's going to cost you. Here's the Dragula. What a cool car. I can't wait to show Heather this. I haven't even showed her. She's been gone all day, and I haven't had a chance to show her. But anyway, there you go. What a cool car. Thank you, Mark, for sending me that. And last but not least on this haul, Mark from Hobby Nut Models. Go to the link in the description below. Go check out Hobby Nut Models. He sent me this. A Johan 62 Dodge Dart convertible. I was when I opened the box, all I could see was this. So it's like, I don't know what car that is yet. That is so cool. So when I pulled it out, I was like, wow. This car is unpainted but started. So someone installed the looks like they glued the chassis onto the body and installed the windows. It looks basically unstarted except for that. The engine's still on the tree. So I'm debating in my mind, should I build it? And then I hear Charlie Mack say, don't unbox it, build it. But it's a Johan. I've never built a Johan kit, and I've only got a couple. Got that one, got 2 of those. Thank you, Jeff, and thank you, Steve, for sending. It's not the exact one, but they sent me the Olds 442. But anyway, this is a cool kit. Uh-oh, don't want to show the money right there he spent for it. I didn't know that was on there. But yeah, what a cool car. 62 Dodge Dart by Johan. Wow. I know this was a quick haul video, but I don't want to have to wait like 6 months to pile up enough kits to show you guys. But thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I get so many great comments. I have so many great subscribers. You guys have blown me away with your generosity. with your great comments, with your positive comments. I get a few negative, but that's okay. That's it all comes out in the wash. But thank you so much for getting me to where I'm at. Almost 10,000 subscribers. So I am like, at the filming of this, it was like 9,889, I think is where I was at last I checked. So I'm just over 100 subscribers away. Can't wait to get to that 10,000 subscribers mark. Going to have a great giveaway. Don't know what I'm going to give away. It's probably something up on the shelf behind me or above me. Or, well, no, I'm not going to go into that one. But anyway, thanks guys for all you do. If it wasn't for you, like Sean over at Scale Model Car Guys channel, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a channel. Well, I would have a channel, just wouldn't have any subscribers. And what fun is that? So you guys, thank you so much for all you do. Don't forget, if you hadn't subscribed already, go hit that subscription button. If you hadn't already liked this video, please hit the like button. Let me know if you've got any of these. Have you built that 48 scale street car? I mean, I think it's cool. It's a car. And it runs on the streets. I mean, what? That's great. How about this 1/32 scale? Have you ever seen that? I've never seen that 32nd scale monogram Mustang. Never in my life seen it. Never. I've heard some good stuff about these museum pieces, monogram kits. Heard some great stuff about them. I know Johan are just, these are the classic of the classic when it comes to American automotive kits. And then thanks Mark for sending me these. I also got a shipment of great MCW paint today, and I can't wait to spray some of it on something. And hopefully one of these will get that treatment. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. And hey, short video, but short but sweet. You guys take care, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.